Hey, here's the truth of the Sabloot wireless keyboard and mouse combo that you can buy on Amazon. So this keyboard comes in a light purple color with most of the keys being white. The keys are definitely unique, right? They got this circular surrounding to them, and the clicking of them is pretty addicting. I do like how that really feels with your fingers. You might also notice there's a notch up in the top left where you can actually put your phone in. I also really like that this keyboard is totally wireless. It makes putting it away really simple, and I would definitely recommend it.